Hi everyone, City here. Today we have this Frymaster electric fryer. It's a model, as you can see in the data plate. It's 208, 218 14EF, 208 volt, three phase. We got this fryer yesterday, and we noticed that there's some carbon buildup on the heating elements. It starts to harden and to stick bad on the heating elements. As you can see here, it's hard to get off. So we decide to boil it. And if you can see here also in the temperature probe housing inside, it starts to build up some carbon burnt stuff, so which is not good. I mean, I will avoid this anytime. And this little guy here, if you can see, it's the one that reached the temperature on the in the pot. So I will keep it as clean as much as possible for accurate temperature in while you are cooking. I get a lot of so we'll have to boil it, of course. And they get a lot of questions. How do we boil the fryers? Yes, I do get them from time to time, because when I clean them, you know, they look nice and shiny. But I take this job seriously. I use usually two types of degreaser. I'm not trying to make any commercial or any advertisement for any product or anything like that, but I'm here just to share information and try to help as much as I can. As I said, I'm not trying to make any advertisement for anyone, but I like these two degreaser brand names. One of them is Purple Power, like this. You can buy it in Walmart, in parts stores. But this one I buy it in Fred's. I will share this with you. I promise you I'm not making any money on this. I just wanted you to share information with you. But this one is not safe on, as I said, on aluminum. So I will be careful with it. Anyway, I already poured some of this on this good stuff here, but I will add another one because this fryer, the heating element is really you know, have a carbon buildup. So to make the job easy, we will pour water, of course. It doesn't hurt to add this one too, because I already poured it. So we will turn our fryer on, and we will see how it goes, you know. We'll turn the fryer on. As you can see, the 3000 computer is coming on. We will press in the filter button for a few seconds. You can see here in the left side, dispose. We will choose boil out mode, and we will confirm yes. Confirm. And you will start for 30 minutes, and we will see how it looks like. As you can see, the heating elements are working and starting to heat. As you can see here, there's some bubbles. There's some bubbles coming out. And if you will check the temperature here, as you can see it's 63 here, and it's 195 is the set point for boil out, because usually it's people use the water, so to avoid the solution to overflow like this, because it happens to me many times before, you know, when I learned this. So 195 is safe to boil this fryer. It's from my Frymaster, of course. So as you can see, it's on 75, 76, and it's going up. Of course, we'll put our baskets here too, because they look a little greasy. So it really doesn't hurt, you know, to take advantage of this solution and to put our baskets here too to boil. Why not? It's hitting good. We'll check the temperature. It's on 130. When it reaches 195 degrees, it just keep cycling like this. I put even some greasy bolts there and washers, and they look nice and shiny. Yeah, it starts to look nice. The boil out time is over, and we confirm, and we'll dispose of this solution. And you never run it to when you want to discard this solution, you never put it in your filter pan. You just open the drain and you put like a container under the fryer, and you get rid of it after you finish. We turn the fryer off, and as you can see, look at the baskets, and I haven't even done any work on them. They look very shiny and nice and clean, as you can see. After we rinse them, they will even look better. This stuff will come off. By the way, you need gloves for this, because it does burn, and if it's a must, you must wear also safety glasses, because it's very harmful. As you can see, it's very clean. We will check the heating elements, how they look like. Of course, we will have to do some scrubbing and stuff. As you can see here, I'm sure this will come off. As you can see here, starts to peel. As you can see, the stuff starts to come off. You can see I have my gloves on, because as they say, this stuff is burns, and cold, it does burn the skin, very harmful, so you have to be careful with it. But because there's nobody to help me to hold the camera, I will just turn it off and try to get this stuff off the heating elements, and I will show you how it looks like when I finish. but as you can see, it starts to come off, and it's thick. It's very thick. I'm back. As you can see, I just finished. Sorry, the days are shorter now, so it starts to get a little dark. As you can see, the heating elements, you know, they lost a lot of the carbon, the stuff that was built up on it. As you can see, it's in a better situation, and as you can see, the temperature probe is clean, nice. This is how you do it. This is some of the stuff that came off the solution, and we put the same solution here in the next one so we can boil it to take advantage of it. I hope this video is helpful, because this boil out is a really important task to do for your fryers. From time to time, at least once in, I will say, 1 month, 4 weeks, I will do this. It doesn't take much time, and actually if you leave it for a long time without doing this, it will need more time, you know, to come clean as this one. Anyway, this is how we try to show how we boil out the fryers. Hopefully this video is helpful. We appreciate you supporting our channel, and thank you for watching. Stay greasy.